SMUG Muslim tells judge Allah permits rape, gets whopping dose of Western justice. Saudi Arabia, Malaysia, and other Muslim-dominated countries, are perhaps some of the most twisted and barbaric on the planet. They treat women with zero respect, as if they're less than animals. So when this Muslim man came here and ended up raping his wife, it's no wonder that he thought we'd turn a blind eye. After 8 years of Obama pandering to Islam, Trump is now in office, however, and this smug Muslim is in for a surprise. The 35-year-old Muslim man, who remains unnamed, was arrested for the gruesome rape of his wife. He shocked the entire courtroom, however, when he arrogantly told the judge that Allah permits rape. Unfortunately for him, he isn't in Saudi Arabia anymore. Mobile footage was found, proving that he did in fact sexually abuse his wife. We can thank the investigator on staff for this, because the victim refused to cooperate, likely because she feared an honor killing. Of course, this is all normal in Islamic countries. Jihad Watch managed to snag this story, and report on several Quran verses which condone the Muslim rape of women. A hadith depicts Muhammad saying, if a husband calls his wife to his bed, that is to have sexual relation, and she refuses and causes him to sleep in anger, the angels will curse her till morning. Bukhari 4.54.460. Another hadith attributes this to Muhammad, by him in whose hand lies my life, a woman cannot carry out the right of her Lord, till she carries out the right of her husband. And if he asks her to surrender herself to him for sexual intercourse, she should not refuse him even if she is on a camel's saddle. Ibn Majah 1854. Thankfully, we didn't have a politically correct, spineless investigator. Paul Young of the rape investigation team has made it clear that he does not care what religion, race, or culture you are from. If you rape a girl in Western civilization, you will get Western punishment. Cumbria Crack reports on the gruesome details of the Muslim rape case. 35-year-old man has been jailed for 10 years for a sexual assault after his victim, who is also his wife, refused to give evidence against him. In what is believed to be one of the first cases of its kind, Northumbria police proceeded with the prosecution after mobile phone footage of the assault was found on the man's phone. The judge called it a truly horrendous offense, with the woman the subject of an exercise in punishment and humiliation. The man was initially arrested after his wife reported to police that she had been raped at their home address and handed police her mobile phone. The 2-minute video was described as disturbing and showed the victim, who had been largely naked and in a drug, alcohol-induced state, being abused. The video showed the distressed victim crying and begging the man to stop. Inspector Paul Young added that throughout this case, this man showed little regard for women and thought he could do what he wanted to his wife. This sentence sends out a message loud and clear to all of the supposed refugees, who just want to come here and integrate. If you come into Western civilization, and you expect to bring your third world virtues, you're sorely mistaken. When you come to our country, you will learn our way of life. And if you don't, that's your decision. But you may end up in prison for 10 years like this Muslim man. Thank you for watching this video. What do you think about this? Share this on Facebook and Twitter along with your comments.